Have you ever said something in anger and regretted it later? In that moment, it feels powerful, but after, it only brings guilt and damage. So, why is it so hard to control anger? Buddha explained this with a simple lesson. There's a story. One day, a man came to Buddha and started insulting him. He shouted, used harsh words, but Buddha remained completely calm. After a while, the man got tired and asked, "Why aren't you reacting? Are you not angry?" Buddha gently replied, "If someone offers you a gift and you refuse to accept it, who does the gift belong to?" The man said, "It remains with the one who offered it." Buddha smiled and said, "In the same way, I do not accept your anger, so it remains with you." The man stood silent. Buddha then said, "Anger is like holding fire in your own hand, thinking you will throw it at someone else, but before it reaches them, it burns you." That's the truth. You don't lose control because others are wrong. You lose control because you accept their actions into your mind. The more you react, the more anger grows. But the moment you pause and choose not to react, anger loses its power. So next time you feel anger rising, don't act immediately. Take a breath, stay silent for a moment, let it pass. Because real strength is not in reacting, it is in controlling yourself. If this made you think twice about your anger, subscribe to Insight of Buddha